How to earn rewards with Quick-Earn. Earning rewards with Quick-Earn is a simple and hassle-free process. First, open quickearn.com in your browser. You'll land on the Quick-Earn homepage, where you'll find tons of offers and popular e-commerce marketplaces. At the top menu, you'll see the top earnings section. Here, you'll find offers organized by different categories. Next, explore the top retailers section. This shows you the leading e-commerce marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, and many more. To start earning rewards, simply click on any marketplace. For example, let's choose Amazon. First, log into your Amazon account and make sure your cart is empty before you proceed. Then, come back to Quick-Earn and click Grab Deal on Amazon. You'll be redirected to the official Amazon site on your PC, or your Amazon app will open if you're using a mobile device. Now, shop as you normally would, it's that easy. Before shopping, don't forget to check the terms and conditions. Just click View More Details to see what you need to follow to ensure you receive your reward and how to claim it later. You can also use the same Grab Deal button here to go straight to Amazon again. The process is the same for other marketplaces like Flipkart. Click Grab Deal on Flipkart and you'll be taken to the official Flipkart site on your PC or the Flipkart app on your phone. Shop for any products you like. It works the same way for other stores too. Next, explore more sections. Bestseller section. Find the best-selling deals across all categories on Amazon. Beauty section. Get top deals on beauty and personal care products. Fashion and lifestyle. Discover great offers on marketplaces like Ajio, Myntra, Clovia, and more. Today's deals. Grab fresh deals updated every day. Travel. Find offers related to travel bookings. Credit card offers. Get the best deals on new credit cards. Just click Get Card and you'll be redirected to the official credit card registration page. How to claim your reward. Once you've made your purchase, the next step is claiming your reward. Go to the top of the website and click Login if you already have an account, or Sign up if you're new. Enter your credentials and log in. After you sign in, click on your name at the top. A menu will pop up. Click Profile to open your dashboard where you can see your earnings. Now, go to the Orders section to update your recent purchases and claim your reward. Fill in your purchase details. If you've bought multiple products, you can add more by clicking the plus button. Once done, submit your order details to the server for verification. You can check the status of your order anytime in the same section. Once your order is approved, the reward will reflect in your dashboard earnings. It's that simple. Start saving and earning with Quick-Earn today.